do you press these things and oh my gosh, it was that easy, and I'm just a tool as always. Okay, so that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Just like the meta system. The meta system. If you have, goodness gracious, I hope I don't break this trying to put it back on. Okay, it goes on quite simply like that, I think, and I engaged it correctly on the sides too. All right, so the batteries go in through here and here. So there's 2 batteries, one on each side, which is great. And just like the Oculus Quest, they have these pretty nice thingy-mapoodles that you can sort of
likey